What do aircraft transport? Nowadays, aircraft transport nearly all kinds of goods from all across the world. Roses from Ecuador, microchips from Shanghai, or films from New York to any destination, whatever. The large military aircraft are so sturdy that they can even carry tanks and other heavy machines. On the other hand, there are small versatile aircraft which can deliver mail to remote places like Alaska. The Royal Flying Doctor Service of Australia provide medical aid in rural, remote and thinly populated areas of Australia. Aircraft is the fastest means of transportation. Therefore, goods that are urgently required to get spoiled easily